if you're in a team site in SharePoint, you are a part of a Microsoft 365 group. The Microsoft 365 groups come with a bunch of different applications that you can use. So one of the things you can do very quickly is from SharePoint, if you hover over the name of your group, which you see over here, Ed's Project Team, it will roll out here and show you not only the members of the group, but also the different application areas for that group specifically. And I can even say show more apps, and it gives me a nice full screen here to allow me to quickly access all of the group applications that this team has. So for example, let's say I wanted to quickly jump into the Planner Hub for this particular group. I could just go in here, click Planner, and it's gonna go ahead and load right on up for me inside of the Planner Hub, and I can see all the plans associated with that group. Same thing for Teams, OneNote, SharePoint, and any of the other group apps.